Hey guys, welcome back to Clarissa's Kitchen. So today's gonna be a little bit different than just our normal recipe making videos. I am gonna bring you back a kitchenware haul part 2. A few months ago, I posted a kitchenware haul from my best pickups from Sonoma. So in case you guys are interested, I will post a link right up here or in the description box right down below. But this was like a really popular video, and I know for myself, I get a lot of enjoyment watching people buy new kitchenware things because you just discover a lot that you can go and purchase to make your life easier in the kitchen. It's going to be a lot of different items that I picked from 3 different stores, one of which is Sonoma, another one is Crate&Barrel, and Bed Bath & Beyond, one of my favorites so far because they always have the 20% off coupon, and like it's just like the best deal for the things that you may need. I will post as many as the product links that I got listed right down below in the description box, so in case you guys are interested. Also really great for stocking stuffers or different ideas for gifts. Anyone who's learning how to cook, who loves cooking, who's been cooking for a while, or if you're just looking for like a white elephant, anything like that. These are little gadgets that you probably thought you never needed but like are a huge time saver. So I have not unwrapped any of these things because I've been waiting for this video to show you guys first. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe right down below. Turn on those notification bells because I post videos now like almost every Saturday. And if you guys really like these kitchen hauls or are looking for other hauls or just any other type of videos, please comment down below because then it'll really help me understand if that's something that you guys are interested. So without further ado, let's begin the kitchen haul. Let's start with Bed Bath & Beyond because those are one of my first purchases. I actually picked these up for Black Friday, and I think Bed Bath & Beyond was just having like a 25% off the entire purchase. I waited in line all the way starting from the back of the store. It was ridiculous, but I would definitely say after you watch this is probably worth it, or at least in my opinion. So let's just begin. So this is what a pie shield is. It's really more for just a pie protection so that way your pie doesn't burn. Then I also got a pie dish. I really like the clear because then it's visible and you can see it. I usually work with a lot of glassware, but anything can do. Yeah, I really like it. So we'll see how that goes. These and these go together. This would be a really good stocking stuffer or a good gift if someone loves pies or for anyone who loves baking. So this is from Bee & Willow, that's the brand, and I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. I love how speckled it is. It's still white, but it has a off-white look to it, and this would be really great for any lasagna, casseroles, pasta dishes, things you want to bake, chicken. I think it was like $15 or less. It was really inexpensive. It says that it's dishwasher, microwave, and oven safe. So I am excited to give this one a try because I don't have a dish like this. And alongside with that, I got some spice bags. So I usually have those little like tea metal bag things, like the strainers, but they're not as purposeful when I'm doing like a stew or I really want to pack some whole herbs and don't want to fish them out. These are really good, so I'm excited to try this, and it was very inexpensive as well. OXO brand is like my favorite right now. I love the durability of it. I love how strong it is. Like I like the way it feels, and you could tell they put really good quality to their own products. So I got these like little sauce holders, and what's really great for desserts, for different sauces, like if you wanted to make a butternut squash soup and you wanted to put that sour cream on there, you know, when you see like all those different pictures on Pinterest where you're like, oh my gosh, it's like foodgasm, it's like amazing. Did you see that? So here you go. And then this is great because you could just wash them, reuse them, and then put them in the fridge. But I love like when you hear that snap. Oh. Yeah, love it. Cannot wait. Then next, I got this bent icing knife. I had one before, lost it, don't know where it was. I was really into cake decorating, and this just makes my life a lot easier. I also got an OXO potato masher, or just a masher. So I went to go get some ice trays, and you know the ice trays that could be like pretty cheap and they work, it's great. But this one is OXO brand, and I am very confident that this is gonna be amazing. It has a silicone lid to prevent from spills, but the way that it's like designed, you could twist it and you know that it won't break, and it's just really good quality. Then I got a microblader. I have a grater, but a microblader is really good for zesting, or if you are shaving some nutmeg, fresh nutmeg into like a drink or a dessert recipe, anything like that. This is OXO brand too. I really like those ones from Williams-Sonoma, or you can get it at most kitchenware stores, but it's a little bit smaller. Like, I preferably don't like the green, in my opinion. I would just like choose like the metal and that's it, and it's a lot smaller. But this will do the trick, and it was less expensive too. So that is all my Bed Bath & Beyond haul. I hope you guys like it, and I'm gonna be sharing with you the other hauls I just did. So on to Williams-Sonoma. I know you guys were probably really excited because of my last video, and I'm really excited too, but I didn't pick up too many things because crate&barrel stole my money, literally. So I'm just gonna show you the little holiday gifts that I got. And these again are really great for stocking stuffers, if you're looking for gifts, or if you're looking to make some desserts yourself. I was really excited. I was on the hunt for these, and they're a really good price. Williams-Sonoma currently doesn't have like the best sales per se, but these ones were pretty affordable. So I got little cookie cutters that are seasonal. They were $2 each except the star one. And I got 4 of these. I got the snowman, so cute, gingerbread man, the Christmas tree, you gotta have a Christmas tree, and a star. I thought this was something that universal that you can use all the time. In addition to that, I got a thumbprint cookie stamp set. It comes with 3 different designs. Super cute, but basically you can use them as a cookie cutter, or you can press them all the way through to have a little hole in the cookie where you can put your jam or your spread or something sweet in it. And I've been dying to get my hands on one of these. It was like $16.95 for this pack of 3, but if you're gonna be using this all the time, I think it's definitely worth it. I know I'm gonna be using it, and I could use it throughout the year too. And the last thing that I got from Williams-Sonoma is a spatula. It's called a Flex, what's it called? A Flex Standard, I don't know, something Flex something spat, that's what it says. But it's like a flexible spatula. You can see you can go bend back and forth. But I had one of these for years, and of course I lost it. But the handle that I had was like a lighter brown, and it was really, really pretty. I wish I had it, but instead I went to go get a new one because I've been dying to get my hands on this. If you had to own any spatula, this is like the best spatula because it has the holes in them. So if you're like, let's say frying an egg, you have the oil drip, but it's really easy to maneuver around. For fish, it's really good for delicate foods, like the flip, just like anything possible. It's amazing. And I have the receipt. It was like $29.95. It was pretty expensive. It's stainless steel, but it's so worth it. So if you had to get anyone anything for like a universal gift for all year round, like this is what you probably need. And again, it's not on sale, so you can get this at any time you want. Williams-Sonoma, if you want to shop online or in the stores. The crate&barrel bags, like we had a 3rd bag, but we got kitchen mats because we really, or not kitchen mats, we got like floor mats because we really needed one from the front and the back. They were super nice. I think those were like the most expensive items, but I got a hefty load of stuff. There's one bag. You can tell like it's taking over my body, so that's how big it is. Oh, here's the second one. Let's just say most of these are glasses. We really needed glasses because we don't have glassware. We have a few, but some broke, and then some we didn't take through the move because we just needed to make sure that we had enough space for it. And then of course we got more, but they're all matching. They're really great. And I'll give you guys the rundown. I'm just gonna unwrap all of this and then I'll show you guys. As I said before, we really need some new glasses. I also got a little bit of some bakeware and some utensils. Not as crazy, but again, I did get those mats that are in the front and the backyard. I'm gonna show you what I got. So the first pickup is this 9x9 square baking dish. It's white, beautiful. I like love the way it looks. I even love the handles. That's like super convenient. I believe the price for this was $17.95. I used a 10% coupon for the first time buyer for the whole entire purchase, and it ended up being like $1.50 less. This is like amazingly beautiful. I cannot wait to use this in all my dishes, and I can't get over like how amazing the handle is. It feels so good. Alongside with that, I got a stainless steel ladle. I could have gotten this from Bed Bath & Beyond, but honestly, I love this little like divot right here in the ladle, so when you're pouring out the soup, it doesn't have too much spillage, and it has it on both sides. The way the grip is, like, you know when it's like a good utensil you're gripping, this is the one. And the ladle was $12.95. I'm just reading the receipt right here. And then to rest the ladle on, I got a spoon rest, and I had a metal one. It was pretty cheap. It was nice, but like this is just a lot more classier looking. I got this for $9.95, and then again, the 10% off that. And this is like amazing. The way the length is, the feel, it's a tasting spoon. It's beautiful. It shows Crate & Barrel right here, so I'm not like too big of a fan of that, but hey, Crate & Barrel is awesome. And I got this for $12.95 with the 10% discount. I love the long spoon with it because if you're doing bigger stews or soups, this becomes pretty practical. So you just like lay all the stuff on the spoon rest. And then we were in need of shot glasses. Yes, if we're home, what else are we gonna do, right? So we got some shot glasses, or we got 6 of these. These were like $2.95. It's like a really good deal, and they're perfect shot glasses. Really like this. And then in spirit of New Year's coming up, we gotta get some champagne flutes or glasses, and these are beautiful. These were $3.95. Surprisingly, I thought that Crate & Barrel was gonna be super expensive, but they had really decent priced glassware. So I would say check it out. If you're a first time buyer, use that 10% discount. It really helps. It just basically covers for the tax that you're gonna pay if you're living in California. Then we got some beer glasses because my boyfriend loves beer or just uses for water, and the way these are gripped, like amazing. We only got 2 of these. Those were 22 ounces. It was $4.95. Again, it's a really good deal. I've been in need for little small bowls for my spices or when I'm prepping food, and I got these little tiny bowls. They are $1.50. And then I also got a slightly bigger version. These were $2.50, really good deal too, 4 each. And then I also got more of these beer pint holders, whatever you call it. But I love how it has this blown out shape at the top, so it's not just straight, it has like a curve to it. And those were $3.95, steal. Then of course, going back to New Year's or celebrations or anything, you gotta have the martini glasses. I am coming out with a special drink for the holidays. I just like had to get these, and these were $4.95. So that is my pickup haul. I'm just probably gonna end it right here because I bet this video was pretty long, but if you kept with me, thank you so much. And I also post like daily recipes on my Instagram and TikTok, so make sure that you guys check it out because I put a lot of other recipes on there that I normally wouldn't put here on YouTube. It's at Clarissa's Kitchen for both Instagram and TikTok. And if you really enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave and turn on those notification bells so you're alerted for the next video that I will be posting. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time in Clarissa's Kitchen. So funny because look at all this unwrapping. This is like a mound of tissue paper. This is a mound of like wrapping paper. It is so funny how like if I even try to step on it, and I have my little step stool.